Welcome to my YouTube channel. How to install elastic sofa cover in a simple way. Low budget. The red sofa cover replaced this one. This new online sofa cover. So we need to remove the red cover. So this one, there is a elastic. This one is a elastic cover also. So we need to replace it by another elastic cover, but different colors and design. So this is the long sofa cover, plastic cover. You see, it was an elastic, so it's not difficult, it's not hard to install on this sofa, long sofa. There is a sign, whether it is in the other side, you put it the other side or the another side, and the back. So need patience for this. This is a simple way for the elastic sofa cover. You don't need to go to the another services to make a sofa cover. Just online you can get this product, elastic cover sofa. So I finished this one and two. So another last small sofa cover, that one, you see, I put this in a proper way. So you can do it by your own. So this is an online sale, and I purchased this sofa cover that was an elastic. This is a third sofa. So I finished first and second. I almost installed properly. I hope you can learn about the elastic sofa cover. This is a simple way. This is another chair cover. So this is a simple way also. So it's a good design. So 1, 2, 3, I completely cover and replace the old one, and then the tablecloth. So we buy another tablecloth just like that, just like a different design, but just like the same colors, clear colors for the tablecloth. So it's simple to install. So I'm gonna finish this one. So this is the finished elastic cover replacement to the sofa cover. Thank you so much.